Hopefully.
It wasn't on the weather forecast. The woman beside me was England from England.
Yeah.
And she was texting her brother to go on back home. They're having really, really bad weather. Like worse thunder and lightning and hailstones and everything.
Bloody hell.
Who is that?
Back in England. And she texted him to check the Met Office forecast to see if this was forecast. And it's not, it's like, the Met Office forecast is normally really good. And it was like, no, clear blue skies, like light breeze.
Oh my god.
And this is completely not forecast.
The sheet's going.
Oh no.
Dave stood wondering what to do.
It's going to be having a very, very warm morning.
And we are staying in the tent to keep it
Yeah,
down.
that's blowing away and it will be.
I feel like I'm in the Blair Witch Project. Oh my god. Yours blowing in?
Yeah.
Have you got any guidelines? We've got 4 hooks keeping it down.
And mine and Steve's body weight. We'll blow away, Steve.
I'm scared.
We're going to blow away.